T4 gene 32 protein, also known as GP32, is a critical player in the intricate dance of DNA replication and repair within the T4 phage. With its high affinity and cooperativity, GP32 binds to single-stranded DNA like a devoted guardian, forming protective clusters that shield the vulnerable genetic material from harm. Its ability to tweak the conformation of ssDNA ensures a smooth interaction with DNA polymerases, paving the way for efficient replication and synthesis. By unraveling pesky secondary structures that could impede polymerase activity, GP32 acts as a helpful hand in processes like PCR and sequencing.
By providing more than 7,000 high-quality products and services, SBS GeneTech has empowered researchers in over 60 countries, resulting in over 4,500 publications in prestigious journals such as Science, Cell, and Cell Metabolism. From China, for the world, 4 superior biology services since 2000.